Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about 10 DIY home decor ideas for 2025 that will help you create a stylish, affordable, and unique space. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room, bedroom, or kitchen, these ideas will inspire you to transform your home without breaking the bank. Let's jump right into it. 1. Sustainable home decor. Sustainability is one of the biggest trends in 2025. People are now looking for eco-friendly materials like bamboo, recycled fabrics, and reclaimed wood. One simple way to bring sustainability into your home is by creating DIY projects using reclaimed wood. You can make a rustic coffee table, shelves, or even picture frames. By repurposing materials, you not only save money but also help the environment. Plus, this approach also adds a personal touch to your home decor. 2. Minimalist vibes. Minimalism continues to be a big trend this year. The key to minimalist decor is simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. Start by decluttering your space. Keep only the essentials and invest in multifunctional furniture. For example, a sofa bed or a coffee table with storage will help keep your space organized and functional. Minimalism also encourages neutral color palettes, so consider shades of white, beige, or gray to make your home feel open and airy. 3. Accent walls with bold colors. Accent walls are a great way to add personality to any room. You don't need to paint the whole room to make an impact. Choose one wall and paint it with bold colors like navy blue, deep green, or mustard yellow. You can also try wallpapers with unique patterns or textures to give your space a distinctive touch. This is an affordable way to refresh a room and create a focal point without the need for major renovations. 4. Smart home tech for comfort. Incorporating smart home technology into your decor is a great way to make your space both stylish and functional. Install smart lighting, which allows you to change the brightness and color of your lights with just your voice or phone. Smart thermostats can help you maintain the perfect temperature while saving energy. Adding smart gadgets to your home is a modern trend that makes life more convenient and helps save money on utility bills in the long run. 5. DIY wall art. Why buy expensive art when you can create your own? DIY wall art is an easy and inexpensive way to personalize your home. You can make abstract paintings, framed quotes, or even photo collages. This allows you to infuse your space with your personal style and creativity. The best part? You can create art from materials you already have at home, like old magazines, fabric, or canvas. This is a great way to add a one-of-a-kind piece to your decor. 6. Textured walls for depth. Textured walls are making a comeback in 2025. Adding texture to your walls creates depth and visual interest, making a room feel more dynamic. You can use techniques like sponge painting or even install textured wallpaper for a simple and affordable update. Textured walls work well in living rooms, bedrooms, or even bathrooms, making your space feel cozy and inviting. If you want something unique, consider creating a feature wall with 3D wall panels. 7. Upcycled furniture. Another sustainable trend that is gaining popularity is upcycling old furniture. Instead of throwing away your old pieces, breathe new life into them with a fresh coat of paint or new upholstery. You can turn an old wooden dresser into a modern statement piece or update a set of chairs with new fabric. Upcycling not only helps the environment, but also allows you to create one-of-a-kind furniture pieces that reflect your style. 8. Indoor plants and greenery. Adding plants to your home is a simple way to bring nature indoors. Plants like succulents, snake plants, and ferns can brighten up any room and add a touch of color. Not only do plants improve air quality, but they also make your space feel more alive. Try using decorative planters or hanging planters to display your plants. If you don't have a green thumb, start with low-maintenance plants like succulents or peace lilies. 9. Statement lighting. Lighting is one of the most important elements in home decor, and statement lighting fixtures are a great way to make your space stand out. Consider installing pendant lights or a modern chandelier as a focal point in your living room or dining area. You can also experiment with floor lamps and table lamps to add more ambiance to your space. Statement lighting doesn't just illuminate a room, it adds style and personality to your home. 10. Create cozy reading nooks. Finally, create a cozy reading nook in your home. This is a perfect DIY project to enhance your living space. Find a quiet corner and add a comfortable chair, a soft throw blanket, and a small bookshelf. Adding ambient lighting, like a floor lamp, will create a warm and inviting atmosphere. A reading nook is a great way to create a retreat where you can relax and unwind after a long day. It's an affordable and simple way to make your home more comfortable. Conclusion: these 10 DIY home decor ideas for 2025 are simple, affordable, and stylish. Whether you're looking to make a big change or just want to refresh your space, these tips will help you create a home that feels uniquely yours. From incorporating sustainable materials to adding bold accent walls, there are plenty of ways to elevate your decor without breaking the bank. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.